Hello everybody! Welcome to my Russian channel. It's a channel for foreigners who want to study Russian and want to enlarge vocabulary, Russian vocabulary, and of course to speak Russian. Let me introduce myself first of all, okay? I'm Galina Popova and I'm the founder and director of Development Center in Russia. It is called Logos. We help people to study different languages and of course Russian for foreigners. And I'll show you some hacks, language hacks or Russian hacks, how to learn Russian fast. First of all, tell me please, what do you need firstly to start speaking different languages?
Yes!
The first, what you should know, words. Okay, without words you can't speak, of course. Yeah, that's right. So, in this way, I recommend you to start learning Russian. First of all, make the list of international words which different languages and in Russian too. And you will be surprised that there are a lot of international words in Russian, and you can use them without any effort because they are stuck in your mind already and you know them, and a lot of foreign words come to Russian and we use them also. So it's easy for us to learn English because there are a lot of international words, and it will be easy for you to learn Russian because they are the same. Okay, let's do some exercises. Well, the first Russian hack. The words which ends "seer." It is like the ending of the word "seer." In English, this is the ending "shin." For example, re, va, lu, si, ya. In English, revolution. Next, позиция. In English, position. You see this one. Position. Okay, next. In English, you've got words, for example, problem. In English, problem. In Russian, problem. Проблема. Проблема. In English, academy. In Russia, the same. Academ. Why? It's not here, yeah? And we put down again. Academia. But academ is like the base of the word, yes? Problem. You see? Okay. To tell the truth, we've got a lot of endings, and we add them to English words. It's easy to understand if you know some of these Russian hacks. And another one, and romant, and instead of this ending, we've got ichny, and a lot of words in this way we can make. For example, realistic. Again, realistic, realistichny. Okay, I'll give you a list of these words later on. Another Russian hack, as we say, yeah? Tolerant. Russian. So, tolerant, and ny, the ending. And according to this rule, there are a lot of words you can make knowing only this rule or this hack. For example, global, globальный. So we say global, global, глобальный. Next, style, стильный. Still, style, like a little bit different, but we can recognize this word. Стильный, style, style, стильный. Next, I'll give you some words and you try to make Russian. Natural, натуральный. Positive, позитивный. Legal, легальный. Normal, нормальный. Central, центральный. Total, тотальный. Okay, and a lot of words. There are some verbs. Verbs also have got some language hacks. For example, you've got invest. Invest, and in Russian it is the same word, инвестировать. Oof, a long word, yes. This word is short, yes. Invest, this is the base, yes. And here also invest. Invest. T and this T looks the same, like invest, инвестировать. And this ending will add to only verbs. Only verbs. Okay, invest, инвестировать. Next, form. Can you make? Form. The whole word is given here also, yeah? Form. Формировать. Ировать. Формировать. Yes? Формировать. The stress mark is different. Формировать. Инвестировать. In Russian, the stress mark is at the ending, yeah? In the verbs only. Next, I'll give you some words. Try to make Russian ones. Игнорировать. Ignore. Игнорировать. Игнорировать. Again, ировать. Ignore. Игнорировать. Next, control. Контролировать. Test. Simple. Test. Also, тестировать. It's also test. Тестировать. Ировать. Test. Тестировать. Next. Copy. Копировать. Transform. Transformировать. Okay, a lot of words. And they are called international, actually international words, which are in different languages, not in different, but in English, exactly. Well, okay, I think that everything is clear for you, yeah? Okay, if you like my Russian hacks, how to enlarge your vocabulary, the list of vocabulary, will you follow me?